smoke. Fire extinguisher for fire. Okay. Yeah. What? Holy shit! Wow, 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 wow. Whoa. Is it grilling? Okay, I think we're getting the hang of this. I'm gonna turn up the gas a bit and see if we can really get cooking. Round 2. That was the warm-up round. Like always. I told you guys. Always warm-up round. Ah! What? 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 Oh. You're in the way! I'm trying to grab this! What? What is the problem? Yeah, I mean, we're doing great. Just a little more, I think we'll have this thing at temp. Okay, last round. Ow! Hey! My items. Torch. What? What? Oh god, fire. Everything's good. Looking good. Oh, easy. Nice. Amazing. Ain't she a beaut? Totally not terrifying with the sheer amount of things going on and a little man in overalls living